Dear students, good morning to all. Today I am going to give a lecture on spiral model. Actually, we have 9 SDLC models, out of which we have discussed waterfall model and prototype model. Whereas waterfall model is the basic SDLC model in which we are going to gather the requirements, we are going to do the coding part and then testing part, and then we already saw the maintenance phase. Then coming to drawbacks in waterfall model is that if we want to make any changes in any phase, we can't go back or we can't do any back step or step back in that waterfall model. And we have discussed about prototype model. In prototype model, what is the advantage is that we can make a prototype of every software product and we can show it to customer. If he satisfies with that product, then we are going to launch that. Otherwise, we can make changes according to the customer requirements. Coming to spiral model is also has the same features of waterfall model and prototype model. The combination of waterfall model and prototype model has taken for this spiral model, and this model is used in large projects. When there is any complexity in any project or in any development of a software, then we choose this spiral model. In this, the main concept is to do the risk analysis. Risk analysis is nothing but if customer want to do any changes to the project, then we can easily do the changes to the project. And similarly, we can follow each and every phase. We can concentrate on each and every phase and we can design a software product. Then coming to spiral model, it is a risk driven frame model. Nothing but in this we can do analysis on the risk. Risk analysis is done in spiral model, and this is proposed by Boehm in 1988. This is proposed by Boehm in 1988. And in this we have spiral. Actually the software process is designed in the form of spiral. As you can see in this diagram, we have the software process developed as a spiral, and here we have loops, and loops vary from process to process. Loop is nothing but, here you can observe, this is one loop. If we have software model like this is one loop. We call it as, this is as one loop. Nothing but each loop is called as a phase. We can call it as a phase. Understood? What is it? It is a risk driven frame model, and this is invented by Boehm in 1988, and the software process looks like a spiral, as you can see in this diagram. And in this we have each and every loop, we call it as a phase. We call it as a one phase, and each loop varies from process to process. And then coming to each phase of this model, this complete thing we call it as a phase, and each phase in this model has 4 quadrants. We have actually 4 phases in this model. One is, here you can see I represented by A, B, C, D. This is one phase, this is one phase, and this is one phase, and this is one phase. And these 4 phases we call it as 4 quadrants. What we call it as 4 quadrants. Then coming to 4 quadrants, first one is objective setting, next one is risk analysis, third one is development and validation, and last one is planning. Then let us see in detail about these 4 phases or 4 quadrants. First one is objective setting. In this objective setting, all the requirements are gathered. Suppose this is a phase, this is one loop or one phase, then one loop. Suppose if we observe this one phase in this loop, then you can observe this part is nothing but one phase, one phase of that particular loop. Here the requirements are gathered from the customers. In these objective settings, the requirements are gathered from the customers. The objectives are identified at start of every phase. First of all, as you all know that in waterfall model, what is the starting phase? It's nothing but requirements gathering. That is happened in this first phase of this loop. Then second one is risk assessment and analysis. Second phase is risk assessment and analysis, nothing but risk analysis. First we are going to assess the risk and then we are going to do some analysis. It's nothing but finding out the best possible solution. Here you can observe this. We have many solutions, out of which we are going to select the best possible solution for our software product, and then we are going to build a prototype. Prototype is nothing but a sample we are going to select. In this we are going to do two things, nothing but first one is we are going to find the best possible solution. Second thing is we are going to prepare the prototype. The next one is development and validation. In this development, this is the third phase, in which actually what is the best solution we have chosen, we are going to design that. We are going to apply some features, nothing but we are going to select a programming language and we start with our coding part, and after that the process will undergo through testing. Testing is done using various testing techniques like unit testing, integration testing, coding testing. We have lot of testing strategies. By applying that, we are going to test the software. And then next phase is about planning. In this planning phase, we are going to plan for most next phase development. See here in this diagram, you can observe that this is the planning phase, and we have completed first objectives, nothing but requirements gathering, and then in this we have completed our risk analysis. You can observe this is the requirement gathering and this is risk analysis, and this is in this we have development and validation. Finally we went for planning. Planning is nothing but we are going to do plan for next phase. See here we have completed one loop, and in this part we are going to plan for the next loop, nothing but it starts from here. For next loop, what is the requirement plan, what is the development plan, and what is the integration and testing plan. We are going to plan for the next phase in this fourth phase, that is planning. Okay, this is about spiral model, in which we have four phases or four quadrants. They are objective setting, risk assessment and analysis, development and validation, and planning. Then next video will be continued with this spiral model.